Okay, this video is going to show you the coax. The coax is a fairly important part of this QRP radio project that I'm putting together here. And these are the MFJ products. It's an MFJ-58100X. This is an RG-8X cable. And I've also got the same MFJ-5803X. The larger one will go from the tuner to the antenna, and then the smaller one will connect the transceiver to the tuner. And I can go ahead and do that one real quick for you. Like I said, this will be the next step in our build, and I'll just show you that here real quick. And this is a 3-foot coax, probably a little bit longer than what I need, but that's the smallest one that they had. So you see, you have one. This is the transceiver up here. And then, so this is the tuner. We go into the transmitter port on that. And that's pretty much it. Okay, this is the next step in our QRP, MFJ QRP radio project. Just a little peek at the coax for this setup.